Hello student. Now the new topic that I'm going to discuss is plastic and its type. Okay, it's a very small topic that I'm going to discuss today. It was first discovered by Ernest Haeckel. Okay, Haeckel discovered plastics. Okay, not plastic, plastics. Now basically there are two types of plastics. Okay, two types of plastics. Before that, they are found in all the cell. Okay, this is also a cell organelle. Okay, plastic is also a organelle found in all the plants. You don't find in animals. Okay, it found in all the plants and some unicellular organism like protist. Okay, example Euglena. Say protist. So it's a organelle that is found in all the plant cell and in some of the unicellular organism like protist, or we call example Euglena. Okay. So two types of plastics, that is leucoplast and chromoplast. Let's try to understand the differences between these two types of plastics. The first point is colorless. So it is a colorless plastic. Why is it colorless? Because there is no pigment. No pigments. So you don't find pigments in leucoplast. Now in chromoplast, they are colorless. It means that they are colored plastics. It means that there is a pigment in chromoplast, and which we are going to discuss in the types of the chromoplast. Now, point number 2, it means that leucoplasts are those in a plant, those part, okay, plant part which is not exposed to light, okay, plant part which is not exposed to light. An example like tuber, stem, like root, and rhizome. So it means that chromoplast means plant part which is exposed to light. Okay, exposed to light. Exposed to light. So what can be like leaf, fruits, petals, stems, okay, which are exposed to the light. Especially leucoplast is responsible for storage of food. Okay, whereas the chromoplasts are responsible for colors of fruits, flowers. It's all because of the plastic, that is chromoplast, and also attracting, okay, some pollinating agent, attraction of pollinating agent like insects, birds. Okay, so these are the three differences between leucoplast and chromoplast. Now let's try to see the types of leucoplast and chromoplast. So there are three types of leucoplast. The first one is amyloplast, Now, this amyloplast is responsible for the storage of carbohydrates, okay? Carbohydrates. So in this plastic, carbohydrates are stored. And example like starch in, for example, in wheat, okay? You will find these carbohydrates, okay? Now, second one is Chloroplast. These are responsible for the storage of protein. Okay, for the storage of protein, these plastics are responsible. Example like maize. In maize, you will find protein, and it's because of this plastic. The third one is Elioplast. Okay, Elioplast, and these are responsible for the storage of fat. Okay, like groundnut. So in groundnut or castor seed, okay, you find these plastic, and these plastic are responsible for the storage of fats in plant. Okay, so these are the three types of leucoplast. The next plastic is chromoplast, and basically there are also three types of chromoplast. Chromoplast. The first one is Chloroplast. So you know that this chloroplast is present, and they are colored. Why they are colored? Chromoplasts are colored because they consist of pigments. Like chloroplast is green in color because of the presence of chlorophyll. Okay, where do you find chlorophyll? In leaves. Okay, we're going to discuss the detailed structure of chloroplast in the next class. Chlorophyll you find in green leaves or green stem. Okay, we have chloroplast. The next is pheoplast. Pheoplast. Now pheoplast basically have two pigments, that is xanthophyll and fucoxanthin. Okay, xanthophyll and fucoxanthin. So these two pigments which give brown color, okay, example like brown algae. So they give brown color, okay. And this fucoplast is a plastic that contain pigments xanthophyll and fucoxanthin. Example, brown algae. The third one is Rhodoplast. So these contain phycoerythrin enzyme. Okay, phycoerythrin, not enzyme, pigments. Phycoerythrin, erythrin pigments. Okay, phycoerythrin pigments that give red color. So these are the three types of chromoplast. Now in this class we will discuss about plastids. These are cell organelles that are found in all the plant cells, okay, and some unicellular organisms like protease or example euglena. You can also see the difference between leucoplasts and chromoplasts. And leucoplasts have how many types? Three types of leucoplasts, that is amyloplast, Chloroplast and Elioplast. Okay, and chromoplast also consists of three types of plastic, that is chloroplast, pheoplast and rhodoplast. In the next class we'll discuss about the structure of chloroplast. Thank you.